Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever wondered about moving your old 401k into a Roth IRA? It's a fantastic strategy for boosting your retirement savings. This process, often called a Roth conversion, allows your money to grow and be withdrawn completely tax-free once you reach retirement age. We'll explore exactly how to do this in 5 simple steps, explaining the key procedures and important considerations along the way. Get ready to learn a valuable tip for optimizing your financial future. So, why consider this powerful move? The primary benefit is enjoying completely tax-free withdrawals in retirement, meaning you won't owe a cent on your earnings when you take them out later. Another huge plus is avoiding required minimum distributions, or RMD, during your lifetime, giving you greater control over your money. Plus, Roth IRAs often provide a much wider variety of investment choices than a typical 401k plan, offering more flexibility for your portfolio. The process itself is quite straightforward. First, you'll need to initiate a direct rollover with your 401k plan administrator. This means the money goes straight from your old account to your new Roth IRA provider. If you don't have a Roth IRA yet, you'll simply open one with a financial institution of your choice. Make sure to complete all the necessary paperwork accurately to ensure a smooth and seamless transfer of your funds. Now, let's talk about taxes, which is a key part of this strategy. When you convert pre-tax money from a 401k to a Roth IRA, that converted amount becomes taxable income in the year of the conversion. It's crucial to understand this, but rest assured, early withdrawal penalties generally don't apply to direct rollovers. You might even consider converting a smaller portion each year to manage your overall tax bill more effectively. Is a Roth conversion right for you? It largely depends on your individual situation. Consider your current tax bracket versus what you expect it to be in retirement. If you anticipate a higher bracket later, paying taxes now could be smart. Evaluate your long-term financial goals and how much time you have until retirement. Always remember, it's wise to consult a qualified financial advisor who can offer personalized advice tailored to your unique circumstances.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.